The number one superfood for your hair. There are four foods we gonna cover. The fourth one is going to be the most important one if you wanna get your hair back. Number one, bamboo shoots. You can eat that? So yes, in different shapes. Maybe in cane, you can order it online. Because of its high nutritional profile, bamboo shoots can in fact promote hair development. They can help your hair in the following ways. High in silica. Bamboo shoots are rich in silica, a mineral that is necessary for the synthesis of collagen and strengthens and increases the flexibility of hair strands. Increases blood circulation. Bamboo extract can increase blood flow to the scalp, which lowers the risk of hair loss and encourages healthy hair development. Nourishes hair follicles. Vitamin C, folic acid, and thiamine are among the vitamins and minerals found in bamboo shoots that encourage healthy hair growth by nourishing hair follicles. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in bamboo shoots help shield hair follicles from damage brought on by free radicals, resulting in thicker, healthier hair. Improves hair texture by adding shine, moisturizing dry hair, and decreasing frizz. Bamboo shoots can improve hair texture. Number two, wild caught salmon. Because of its high nutritional content, wild caught salmon can in fact promote hair growth. High in omega 3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. Two types of omega 3 fatty acids are abundant in wild caught salmon. These vital fatty acids lessen inflammation, support healthy hair development, and nourish the scalp. Protein rich. A great source of protein, which is necessary for hair growth, is salmon. Keratin is the protein that makes up hair, and eating enough of it can help you develop hair in a healthy way. Vitamin D content. Vitamin D, which has been connected to hair development and maintenance, is present in wild caught salmon. Hair follicles contain vitamin D receptors, and vitamin D aids in controlling the cycles of hair development. Number 3, egg yolks. Because of their high nutritional content, egg yolks can in fact promote hair growth. Protein rich, a great source of protein which is necessary for hair growth, is egg yolks. Keratin is the protein that makes up hair, and eating enough of it can help you develop hair in a healthy way. Biotin content. AB complex vitamin that is essential for hair growth. Biotin is abundant in egg yolks. Biotin improves hair texture, lessens their breakage, and strengthens hair follicles. Vitamin content. Vitamins A, D, and E, which are necessary for hair growth and maintenance, are among the many vitamins that are included in egg yolks. Fatty acids. Omega 3 fatty acids and other good fatty acids which support healthy hair growth and nourish the scalp are found in egg yolks. Number 4, grass fed liver. Because of its rich nutritional content, grass fed liver can in fact promote hair growth. High in iron. Iron, which is necessary for strong hair development, is abundant in grass fed liver. Eating foods high in iron, such as liver, can help stimulate hair development because iron deficiency can cause hair loss. Packed with vitamin A. Grass fed liver is a great source of vitamin A, which strengthens hair follicles, encourages hair growth, and enhances scalp health. Biotin content. AB complex vitamin that is essential for hair growth. Biotin is found in grass-fed liver. Biotin improves hair texture, lessens hair breakage, and strengthens their follicles. Folate and other B vitamins. Rich in folate and other B vitamins, grass-fed liver is vital for maintaining and growing hair. Antioxidant properties. Antioxidants like glutathione, which are found in grass-fed liver, help shield the scalp and hair follicles from oxidative stress and damage. Two methods for including grass-fed liver in your diet. Number one, cooking. To create a tasty and nourishing dinner, cook grass-fed liver with herbs and spices. Number two, supplements. If you can't consistently eat the organ meat, think about taking supplements made from grass-fed liver. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel.